Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This video I'm going to show you how to remove your basic attention tokens from Brave or your Uphold wallet and move it over to another wallet. In my case, I'm going to move it over to a different wallet so that I can make passive income on it. So let's get it started. As you already know, if you're watching this video, what the Brave browser is and how to receive the basic attention token just by using the Brave browser. And if you haven't, if you're not familiar with it, then you can watch my previous video and I kind of broke it down little by little. But as we all know, we can click on the Brave icon, and then this is going to be the first time that I'm actually doing this. And I've had, about 16 basic attention tokens from the past 4 months of me using the Brave browser, and we're going to move that over. We can check it out. So everything from that Brave browser moves into this Uphold wallet, and Uphold is a pretty good wallet to store your cryptocurrency in. However, I do want to earn a little bit of passive income, so I'm going to move it out, and we can check it out. I got my first payout in May, and then my second one in June, my third one in July for a total of about $2, a little over. And then in August, it bumped up to about $4. And then I remembered, or I learned how to connect my mobile, so my cell phone, to this Uphold wallet. And that's why things doubled quite a bit. So up to about $10 in August. And more recently in September, it's up to about $13 and change. So that is the benefit of using the Brave browser, both in the on your laptop or desktop computer and on your mobile cell phone. So we'll get into it. So how do we do this? So we'll click on this icon over here, and then we will go to my Uphold account. Bear with me while it loads. Loading the Uphold account. All right, so from here, we're going to scroll down to the Brave browser. So basic attention token. And we have the different options to send as a card, send to a member email, send to cryptocurrency or utility token, and then send a bank account. In my case, I want to send it as crypto. And then it's going to ask you again, which one. So we're going to send the basic attention token or the BAT. We'll click on that. So now we're going to have to fill in the destination, the amount, and then a message if we'd like to. So for me, the only reason why I'm taking it out of the Uphold wallet is because I want to earn a little bit of APY on it. And there's two main places that I know of right now to earn APY or interest on your crypto, and that's Celsius is the first one. So we'll scroll down and then we'll find Brave and see what they're paying out for it. So BAT 1%, that's okay. It's better than 0%. And then the other one is BlockFi. So let's check out BlockFi. Scrolling down. So BAT, basic attention tokens, different tiers, but the main tier that I will be in and most people will be in is 3.25%. And that is pretty awesome. That's better than any, bank account bonus or APY that you'll get at a bank account. And, it's still your tokens. It's just not only can you have the price appreciation throughout time, but you'll also earn a little bit of interest on that. 3.25, that's actually a pretty decent, standard amount that you want to see. So from there, we will log into our BlockFi account. I kind of bypassed that portion, but once you log in, you can find the basic attention token, click on it, and it'll bring you to this page. And then from there, it's pretty simple. You just want to fund your account, and then it gives you a little warning here. So from there, you just want to copy this address, copy to clipboard, and then once again, back in Uphold, I'm going to paste this, and then the amount I'm going to send, I'll just send 10 just to make sure it works. Oh, you know what, guys? Unfortunately, this is not going to work because of the Ethereum network fees. they are insane right now. So it was a good idea, but there's no way that I am going to pay that much to transfer, the basic attention token out right now. And that is the good and the bad with Ethereum. Right now, ETH is super awesome. It has the largest ecosystem, but because of a main contributor to this is OpenSeas, of course, and the NFT marketplace, it is making the gas fees astronomically high. So like right now, I just want to send over a little bit of a basic attention token, but because of this network fee, which is 5 times as much as what I want to send, I'm going to have to pay 5 times as much as, the little bit of money that I wanted to send just to make a little bit of APY. But I mean, I guess this video is a twofold. This is how you do it, and then also why you should or should not do it. So hopefully when the ETH 2.0 comes out and it introduces sharding as well as proof of stake, and then also a whole bunch of other, cryptos start using the roll-ups, then the network fees will go down. So for now, this is just an intro video on how to, even though I didn't finish it, but this is how you would send some of your basic attention token that you earn on your Brave browser over to, any wallet that you would like to in the future. I will probably make a follow-up video. I might just convert this to US dollars. I know that is another option, and then send it to my bank account. And then from there, just purchase it on BlockFi. I think that's a workaround. It's a little bit time consuming, but I would not have to pay this hefty network fee. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see y'all on the next one.